What's up, guys? Phil here, ISS Impressions Show 2024 in Long Beach. I'm with Sean here with Insta. We stopped by this booth because we saw some heat presses that might work for you guys. These are not your budget-friendly Amazon presses. These are actually a tier or above higher. And I'm going to show you exactly what these do. And if this suits you, we're going to give you guys the contact information where you guys can find this product. Let's go ahead, Sean, to show us exactly what this press can do.
All right, this is our Superflex heat transfer. It's a hot peel on film.
What's this machine called again? This one in particular?
728.
728.
Yeah, it's a 15 by 20 inch platen.
Okay, and you're doing this for bags?
Yes.
It has a piston underneath, so
Yes.
it works probably better for bags than t-shirts? Oh, great. Awesome. So what's the specs on this machine?
The specs?
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
The electrical, cost, how
That
you need a
you're gonna have to
separate.
look
Okay.
up on the, I don't have that information. I work with the printed products department.
Okay.
But I can get you all that.
But this is air pneumatic, so you just
Yes.
plug in a compressor.
Yep.
220,
Huh?
or is it
This one's a
110?
110.
110. Okay, how many watts is this one?
That
Do you
I'm
don't know?
not exactly
Okay.
sure.
Well, 110, so it might plug into a regular outlet. So depending on the juice
Yes.
that it takes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Use a regular outlet.
So this is great for bags. You have another press that might be good for t-shirts as well. This
Yeah,
one?
Yes.
Can you show us that
this
one?
is a great manual press. Great starter press.
All right, so this is more of your traditional clamshell heat press.
It's not a clamshell.
It's not a clamshell. Swingway, okay. Oh, you're right. Okay, so you want to tell me a little bit about this?
So this is our manual 256.
Okay,
The heating element in lower platen is 16 by 20.
okay.
Have the display right here. Pressure here. And there's a safety here.
Okay.
So
And how do you adjust the pressure? You just crank it?
I'll show you in 1 second. Yeah. Turn it one way, it lowers it. Turn it one way.
All right, so you're loading it like a regular screen printing.
Yeah, so you can thread it, you can lay it down. Just like any heat press. I'm going to preheat the material for this couple seconds. And this is our high density HBF transfer. It's a puff transfer.
Okay. How much pressure do you have set on this right now?
Medium to firm, maybe
Medium
somewhere
firm.
around 40 pounds.
Okay.
Check that out.
It's good pressure. It is puffing up. I see it. That is beautiful. And is this also 110 or is this 220?
110 or 220. You can get them in
Either way?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you know the cost of this one or?
This one I believe is 2495.
Okay. 2495. And where can they find you guys again at?
We are in Cerritos, California.
Okay, great.
And you can see us at instagraph.com. Check out the website.
All right. And then the one that actually caught my attention was over there. Can you show me the big boy over there?
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
Okay, copy.
All right, so this is what caught my attention when I was walking by. It's similar to what we have at our shop, where it's a dual platen, so you're able to efficiently get more presses done here with a single operator. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see how Sean sets this up. It's already fired away, so he's had this heating up for some time now.
All right, we're going to preheat this. someone changed the setting. It's not on automatic.
Yep.
You can do another one after it on automatic setting because
Someone had it on manual? Okay. How many shirts would you say somebody would be able to knock out in an hour?
If you're looking at 8-second dwell time, something like that, if you can load the transfer in that time, maybe like 340, 360, depending on how fast they can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
It usually raises production rate by 60, 70% actually.
Okay.
It sounds like, compared to something like this over here, just a single, and you're using one person. So yeah, it's pretty good and efficient for production.
Are these in stock or is there a lead time?
They are in stock.
Okay.
Yes.
And they're in stock. If somebody was to order this from the East Coast, how do you guys handle deliveries or transit on this?
We talk to the customer, and between us and them, we just kind of figure it out.
Like freight delivery, it's like 300.
Yeah. We have our own freight companies we'll use if they want to use that. But if they have someone they want to use, then they're more than welcome to use that.
Okay, great. You want to show us the automatic feature before I end up talking about the specs on this? So go for it.
Yes.
Sure.
Hey, Greg. You want to stop it real quick?
Sure, we're good. We're going to change the settings back to automatic, so just give us a quick second. So it's pretty accurate. I see it changing, so as it keeps hovering and heating up, it's pretty accurate as far as the digital graph right there. All right.
Did you have a question?
So I think he was trying to set it as automatic, and it wasn't. It was manual. So.
I got you, yeah. So it's at the top right here. You click,
all right.
And we have 3 different modes: single platinum mode, semi-automatic, and then I'm going to go fully automatic.
All right.
We can watch that run here. I'm going to shorten the dwell time a little bit just so we can see it, better.
Okay.
So it's going to go over, press on that side. Your operator, gets the shirt ready on this side, places their transfer, whatever, gets it all good to go. That comes over and presses here, and then they do the same thing on this side. I have a really short dwell time right now, so you got to be fast.
Okay.
Usually it would be maybe more like 10 seconds or something like that. But it'll just keep cranking back and forth on its own, and your operator can focus on loading and unloading. If it's too fast for your operator, you can set a delay.
Okay.
So right now it's just instant, it just goes back, but you can set a delay so that it'll wait 5 seconds or 10 seconds or whatever.
Is there any safety sensor
Absolutely.
that will stop it from clamping on you?
I'll show you right now, actually. So the whole shroud up here has safety sensors, and if you hit it hard enough, it just pops right up. Like
that is awesome. That is.
Same thing if you hit it sideways, like if your arm was here, if you hit the side of it, it would also do that. And then also there's this big E-stop right in the middle, so if something's going on, you could just slam that too.
Okay.
But yeah.
And if you turn it to manual mode, you just press both green buttons to initiate?
This one you actually only have to press one button.
Okay.
So I'll show you that. So this is like semi-automatic is what we call it mode. So you push push the button, it'll go press over there, and then you'll see it'll just wait afterwards, so that like I can kind of do my thing. I'm like, oh, I'm not quite ready yet, get ready, and then when I'm ready, just go ahead and push, and then go back and work on this side.
Okay. Probably good. a good option for training somebody first to get them going, right?
To get used to it,
Yeah,
absolutely.
definitely.
Yep. But if you're like, get used to it, you know how to use the machine, you're really good at loading and unloading, and you're a pro, you can potentially, with one operator, do up to 350 shirts an hour on this machine. That's, I mean, you're going pretty fast. It's hard work. It's not easy, but you can do that. So, yeah.
Good,
cool.
good. Is that a 350 for a single press or double press? Do you know?
That's one impression.
One impression,
Yeah, so
okay.
if you had to do a pre-press or something, then obviously that would
Add a little bit more time.
cut that back.
But that's still very
Yeah.
quick for one operator in an hour.
For sure.
And this is the Model 780?
That's correct.
And this,
Yep.
does it only come in 230 or does it come in 110?
This one only comes in 230.
So it
Yep.
takes a pretty big draw, right, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the cost for a show or just our normal price?
That's the
$9,265.
standard price.
Okay.
During the show, we have a 10% discount going on. For
Okay.
the show special.
And this is the specs that are with this machine, correct?
Yeah, like the electrical, the weight of it, and
Okay.
everything. This is like the packaged weight
Okay.
and stuff, so you can know. If
So
you're
we got a
shipping it.
16 by 20 platen. You can adjust the pressure all the way to 110 psi.
Yep.
375 pounds of weight, which you guys said
That's
you
how
guys
much
can
the
ship.
machine
Yeah.
weighs, yeah.
Max temp 430, so it fires up pretty high, and 240 single phase plus ground, and 3200 watts, and about 14 amps. That's what you need to wire this up to get this going on your shop. So, again, thank you for your time. Appreciate you showing this machine.
for sure.
Lastly, where can they find you guys at? Do you have a website or?
Yeah, so instagraph.com. You can search for Instagraphic Systems on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. We have a ton of videos on YouTube, so that's a really good resource. And our videos are on our website too.
Okay, great. And if anybody wanted to see this in person, do you guys have this set up at your facilities?
Yeah, so our showroom is in Cerritos, California, in the greater Los Angeles area. And we do by appointment. You know, you can set up an appointment and come see it. And then we're also at a handful of shows throughout the year. But yeah.
Awesome.
So.
Well, thanks again for sharing. We appreciate
Sure. Yeah. Thanks
yeah.
for coming by.
Yeah, definitely. Catch you guys on the next one, guys.